Dora, Dora, Dora!
Boots! I'm so happy you came all the way to Playa Verde to visit me. Uh-oh, is something wrong? ¿Qué pasa?
It's backpack and map! I lost them!
Where was the last place you saw them?
In the rainforest!
Bueno, then let's go! Let's go! So, Boots, where did you last see Backpack and Map?
I was on my way to the river, and I just put Backpack down for a second and Swiper took her!
Well, then we have to find Swiper.
Look, Dora! Bananas! They must have fallen out of Backpack!
Let's pick them up. I bet they'll help us find her. Vámonos, let's go! Tap while running so we can see. Excelente! Dope way to go! Collect all the bananas. Follow that fox. Una estrella, the shining star charm. All right. Whoa! Vamos! Swinging into action! Big Red Chicken! Nice to see you again, big guy! Thanks, Boots! Swing me higher and... Whee! Mira! Hang on! Whee! Hang on! The Fiesta Trio! Magnífico! Vamos! There, Swiper! We need to catch up to him! All right! Swinging into action! Look at us go! Vamos! Un gato, the cat charm! Meow! All right! Look at us go! Thanks, Boots! Whee! Hang on! Mira! Whee! Mira! The Fiesta Trio! Magnífico! Look at us go! Swinging into action! Vamos! Whoa! It's the grumpy old troll! Swinging into action! Vamos! Perfecto! We found the rubber duck charm! Look at us go! Vamos! Thanks, Boots! Swing me higher. Hang on! Mira! Whee! Thanks, Mira! The Fiesta Trio! Magnífico! Fantastico! We caught up to Swiper! Swiper, why were you running away?
I swiped backpack and map! I did it! I did it!
It's good you told us, Swiper. Now, where did you hide them?
That's just it! Before I could hide them, a big wind came and it blew backpack and map into the air!
Swiper, you can't just run away. We've got to find Backpack and Map, right?
Come on, let's go find them!
Fantastico! Now we have to go through the flowery garden to get to Backpack and Map.
Looks like some of the magic seeds Backpack was carrying fell out.
Then that's what we should follow to find Backpack and Map. We can pick up the seeds along the way. Vámonos! Let's go find Backpack! And Swiper, thanks for your help. Now we have to go through the flowery garden to get to Backpack and Map. Whee! Whee! We're doing great! Here we go! We're doing great! Hi, Isa! Hi, Bud! Jump and grab the ladder above. Now tilt your screen back and forth. Collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! We're on our way, Backpack! Whee! Excellent! Whee! Here we go! We're on our way, Backpack! Whee! We're doing great! Whee! Excelente! We're doing great! Here we go! Jump and grab the ladder above. Now tilt 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! Hey, Kate! We're doing great! Whee! Whee! Una culebra! A charming snake charm! We're on our way, Backpack! Excelente! Whee! Whee! Jump and grab the ladder above. Now tilt your screen. 1, 2. One hand at 3, 4. The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! Un unicornio! The magical unicorn charm! doing great! ¡Excelente! Whee! Here we go! Whee! ¡Excelente! We found backpack and map! Mochila, mapa, you're safe!
Uh-oh! There's a big hole in backpack. Is she gonna be okay?
No te preocupes, Boots. Kate can help me fix backpack with her sewing machine. Come on, we've gotta get back to Playa Verde, and quick! Muy bien! We got through the flowery garden. Let's explore it again to find the rest of the tallest mountain. Let's go! We need to get down the mountain. Let's glide down on one of the big rainforest leaves.
Dora, a lot of teddy bear toys I was carrying fell out of me when the wind blew me up the mountain.
No te preocupes, backpack. We'll pick them up along the way.
Gracias, gracias.
Let's hurry and get down the mountain before it gets too dark. Naya, ¿cómo estás? ¡Qué mágico! Un pájaro, the high-flying bird charm. Down we go! Woohoo! What a ride! Collect all the teddy bear toys that are yellow, amarillo. Tilt your screen back and forth to steer to collect more of the things Backpack lost. The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! Look at us go! ¡Qué mágico! Woohoo! What a ride! ¡Qué mágico! Look at us go! Woohoo! What a ride! Down we go! Hey, Pablo, what's up? Up, 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 and away! Collect all the teddy bear toys that are orange, anaranjado. Tilt your screen back and forth to steer to collect more of the things Backpack lost. The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! Look at us go! Woohoo! What a ride! Cool! A pretty pink cloud charm. Look at us go! ¡Qué mágico! ¡Oh, Tico! ¡Aquí estás! Woohoo! What a ride! Collect all the teddy bear toys that are red, Rojo. Tilt your screen back and forth to steer to collect more of the things Backpack lost. Trio! Magnifico! Look at us go! Woohoo! What a ride! ¡Qué mágico! That was a fun ride! We're almost there! We made it down the mountain. Now we need to keep going to Playa Verde. Come on, before it gets too dark.
¡Vámonos!
We made it down Tallest Mountain. Do it again to find more charms. Look at the charms and the backpack items we collected. Now pick another place for us to explore. Let's go! There's Playa Verde. Come on!
But it's getting dark. How will we know the way to go?
Mira, my lanterns. I dropped them when the wind blew me away.
Great! We can collect the lanterns along the way, and that will help us to see. Let's pick them up. Vámonos! Let's go! Way to move! Diego! Hola, primo! Come on, guys! Muy bien! Way to move! We need to catch the right amount of fireflies so they can help us keep going. Tap the glowing bush with one firefly. Oops, try again. That's not it. Count the fireflies in each bush, then choose the one that has 1 fireflies. Use the fireflies like stairs. The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! Come on, guys! Muy bien! Emma! Hola, amiga! Come on, guys! Muy bien. Way to move. We need to catch the right amount of fireflies so they can help us keep going. Fireflies. Arriba, up we go. The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! Come on, guys! Diego! Hola, primo! Way to move! El Sol! We found the sun charm! Muy bien! Way to move! Un diario, a diary charm for super special secrets. Come on, guys! We need to catch the right amount of fireflies so they can help us keep going. Tap the glowing bush with 3 fireflies. Use the fireflies like stairs. The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! Wow, qué aventura! What an adventure! ¡Lo hicimos! We made it back to Playa Verde!
And I can get fixed up.
Extra fixed up! And here are all the things that you dropped, Backpack. Now you've got all your things again and a new buddy, Bud!
Thank you, Dora, Boots, and all our other friends who helped along the way.
Fantástico!